Hey there, Disney fans. If you're craving that movie night vibe but can't be in the same room, you're going to love this. Today, I'm diving into how to set up group watch on Disney Plus, so you can watch your favorite shows and movies with friends and family from anywhere in the world. It's super fun and easy. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Disney Plus subscription. If you don't, head over to their website or app and sign up. It's worth it for all the magical content. Once you're logged in, open the Disney Plus app on your smart TV, phone, or computer. Now, browse through the library and pick the movie or show you want to watch together. For example, let's say you're in the mood for a classic like The Lion King. Look for the group watch icon. It's usually a little group of people or a share button right next to the play option. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to create a new group watch session. Disney Plus will generate a unique link or code that you can share with your friends. Just send it via text, email, or even social media. Your pals will need their own Disney Plus accounts to join, so remind them to log in first. Once everyone clicks the link, they'll be added to the session. The cool part? Playback is synced, so no one gets left behind if someone pauses or rewinds. You can chat with each other through the built-in reactions and emojis. It's like being in the same room. Keep in mind, group watch works best on the same platform, like all on mobile or all on TV, to avoid any glitches. If you run into issues, like someone not joining, double-check that they're using the latest app version or troubleshoot your internet connection. And remember, up to 7 people can join a session, so it's perfect for family gatherings or watch parties. There you have it. Group watch on Disney Plus makes remote viewing a breeze. Give it a try for your next movie night and let me know in the comments how it goes. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Disney magic.